Welcome to Dairy Farm Pest Control number 33 with the FX Maverick Compact in 22. So, new day, new dairy, and I'm shooting the JSB 18.1 grains at 900 feet per second. So again, I will just add commentary as needed. So hope you enjoy. This guy's sitting there so pretty I couldn't pass him up. I'm like, all right, I will take you out. I think the cat's got that one when he hit the ground. These three are on a trek. They had a goal in mind, which was the other side of the roof. So they are trekking. This is like a 50-second trek that they were doing. So I had to wait for her to finally stop, and I'm finally able to take the shot. This one barely has his head peeking up there. It's a starling. I'm like, I wonder if I can get this guy. Yes, I can. Nice 60-yard shot. Happy with that. Again, not much showing there, so let's see if the FX is on, and it is. Landed behind those pallets. Which one? Which one? Decisions. Today's your unlucky day. I'm able to get him. Go to the left. This guy gives me a bigger target, and I'm happy to oblige. Now, I thought I missed him, so let's see that in slow-mo. You see after I shoot, he actually goes down, and the ones behind them take off. So, optical illusion. I thought originally I missed him, so I was happy with that. Nice 60-yard shot, starling. This one's singing, but we have a noise ordinance on the farm, so we had to nullify that. New farm, new dairy. Get out of my car and spot this guy about 50 yards away, and good way to start off the session. Totally missed that pigeon up on the upper right hand corner, but it didn't go far, so I was able to find it a little bit later on. Totally missed this guy, and I don't know why, but that pigeon I was talking about, he's up there in the left corner. Looky there. Thank you much. And down he goes. Cows are walking by because it's time to go to the parlor. Just getting ready to shoot. flies off, but does not go too far. So I'm able to go ahead and follow up with him. Nice 60-yard shot again. See that in slow-mo. Drop him. I was trying for a double, but I don't think that other one conked out, so. Got to shoot between that fence there in the front. That was a good shot between that. Was happy about that. And that, please, the last shot. So thanks for watching.